Okay guys, I want to place a withdraw on my money. What is the essence of trading and then you are just keeping the money and then you are not withdrawing it? So I just want to show you how possible and how fast it is to withdraw your money with Exness broker. So the challenge is still on, $30 to $100 September challenge. So now I deposit $30 and I'm up with $26 profit. So I want to withdraw my $26 profit now to my mobile money. So guys, let's go. So now I'm in my broker. Click on Exness. As you can see, this is my broker account. As you can see, currently I'm in 57.70 US. So I deposited $30 and now I'm in $57. So I click on withdraw. I want to withdraw my money. This deposit as it. Now I want to withdraw my money. So I go to mobile money. From mobile money, all I just have to click is so what is my gain? My profit is $26. So I want to withdraw my $26. As you can see, I want to withdraw my $26 is about 15,922. As you can see, that's $26. That's $26, about 16,000. Sorry, about 16,000. So I click on continue, and they said confirm everything, 15,000, everything is done. So as you can see, they have calculated it. So I click on confirm one more time. So as you can see, to be withdrawn 15,925 so far. Recommended test code. Select a method to confirm. So let me go with test code. So enter the generated by the Google authentication. So I'll go to my Google authentication app to put the code here. So my Google authentication app, because I have to secure everything, has to be secured, right? So this is it here, Exness. This first one, I guess that's the first one. This first one, 507291. 507291. So it has been confirmed and it's now placing my withdrawal. As you can see here, this is my number, orange money. Then I click on confirm. As you can see, withdrawing 57,000 naira. Your request is in progress. As you can see, you are processing your request and you will receive your fund as soon as possible. Please bear in mind that transaction time will differ depending on the payment system used. So I'll go to my missions, and that is just it. In no time, I'm going to receive my money. In no time. The transaction is in progress. View history. As you can see, withdraw in process. As you can see, withdraw in process. As you can see. So, guys, I deposited 19,000 and I'm about to withdraw 16,000 as my first profit. So that's just it. That's just it. So as you can see, the withdrawal has been placed. Minus $26. Let me go to my orange money. This is my orange money. As you can see, $16 just landed. 15,925 just landed. So as you can see it here, as you can see for yourself, I placed the withdrawal around 2:59. I placed the withdrawal around, what time did I place my withdrawal? Around 14:57. That's 2:57, and then the withdrawal came in exactly 2:59. 3 minutes different, guys. 3 minutes different. That is the fastest way you can get more money. So what are you waiting for? Come together, join my group, go through the videos, subscribe to my channels. I'll be dropping signals at least maybe every day. It depends on how I see the market. If the market is good for me, if my analysis work out, I'm going to place a trade and I'm going to drop it in the platform. So guys, let's eat this money. Invite more people to the platform. People that want to, if at least if $70 is not too small for you every month, invite them to the platform. Bye.